All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I bought this LED light. It's white and red, so it's my back brake light or whatever. So this is fairly simple. We're gonna take the little screws out. I mean, I already started. This is a pretty simple process. Okay. Out. Oh. There you go. There you go. Oh. Okay. So, this plug. Let me see. I don't want to pull the wire too hard. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Watch out. I'm gonna unplug this, and this, and this. And all we're gonna do is plug this two in. So now the question is, which one of these two? So it goes like this. Okay. So I'm gonna plug them in like that. I'm gonna leave this one out. So what you do with this one is you twist it, pull it out, twist it, pull it out, twist it, and pull it out. Oh, it fell in there. That's not good. Right there, see?
Good.
Oh, but anyways, we gotta get rid of this one.
And we got a new one.
Yeah, so this is what's gonna go in. This one and this one. So we're gonna take this one out. We're gonna take this one out. And we're gonna plug them in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug them in right here. We're gonna plug this one in over here. Árale pues. So. I don't want to hold it by the wire, but I mean, how cheap can they be? That can't even, it's not recommended, you know? So that one goes right there, and this one goes right here. Let's hope the polarity is good, so the black one goes to the top. Yep, just like that. And make sure it's right in the center. Oh, what the heck? It doesn't want to go in. I mean, it's supposed to go in nice and easy.
Yeah.
I don't want to force it in there because, you know.
Just break.
Try this one.
That is might lose stuff.
Okay, so the red one is going to go to the top. It's going to go like that. There you go.
There you go.
Now let's see. Where's the key? Do I have the key? Go get me the key in it. I forgot where the heck I put the key.
What?
The key to the truck.
There.
The key to the truck. Get the key to the truck.
There you go.
This looks nice.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let me put it in there for now. Tuck that in there. This one I could just.
Tuck it
I want
in.
to, before I put everything back, I just want to make sure everything works, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm going to leave it right there. Now, you got it? Let me see. And it works.
That
It
looks
works.
good.
Okay, Yanel, now go inside and press on the brake. It's supposed to light up.
Damn, it's heck bright.
You know which one the brake is? Watch out with the door. Don't let it hit that car. The brake is
The middle one.
hold on. Actually, do me a favor. You go. Damn, that's bright. No, you go. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Yes. It works good. Yes. All right, so that was it. And then we're just gonna do the same thing. That's good. It works. All right. So I'm just gonna clean that up a little bit, and I'm gonna put everything back. See, this was freaking what? 5 minutes? Yeah. All right. It's really simple. Anyways, you get the idea. Bye bye. Like, comment, and subscribe. And say bye.
Bye.
Got the headlight on your face. All right. Bye bye.
There you go.